So this is the GoPro Volta. This one, it had a cut cord, and so what I'm doing is I'm replacing the cord with a different one. But I took it apart from in here. This is the USB-C cover, so it goes like that. There's two tiny screws, little Phillips, and that's how you get in there. That's under a tiny little like plastic cover thing. Yeah, once I got those two out, there's a tiny little hole you can use to try to pry it out. It'll pop right out pretty much. The cable's like glued in here, but it came out pretty easily. The other side, you can get to the battery. If you take out, there's these tiny little rubber nubbins. There's 6 of them and 6 screws. You can pop those out, and then if you take a spudger or a screwdriver, you can pop that open. You don't have to worry too much about this coming apart. And then once you have it all disassembled, here's your battery. It's 18650. It's wired in with positive and negative, and I'm not sure what the other two are. Probably a temperature sensor. I'm not sure. It's GoPro branded. IS 16046 Part 2 IEC 62133-2. It's just inside of here, it's just an 18650. It's probably like Sony or something, maybe LG. But yeah, that's wired in there. You know, 6 screws to get it out. You're probably going to need to glue these little nubs back in, but it's not too bad. This one, so I'm replacing the cord, and then it should be good to go. It actually turns on still. I think the battery's like dead-ish, but yeah, I don't think I need to replace the battery on this. So I think once I get the cord wired in, it'll be perfect. It's actually not too bad getting this back together either. Just a little clamshell. But yeah, so that's the Volta. Oh yeah, and if you want to get like deeper into it, there's 2 more tiny little Phillips screws in there. But I don't want to fully disassemble it just because there's nothing in here that I need to get to. Like, you might be able to do that to get the remote working again if it was broken, but I wouldn't bother with that.